first glance. Boing, boing, boing. Hi there guys, back again. These are my 3 cars I've bought so far in my first year of RC. So to celebrate my 2nd year just starting, I decided to buy myself another one. So we've got the buggy here. Damn good buggy, good fun, very fast, gone run away twice, upgraded a lot of stuff on it. Then I bought my little micro after that, something for indoor fun when it rains, good laugh there. So yeah, that's on 3S power now, does 29 mile an hour, probably does about 40 something. Then I bought, not so long ago, a mini short course truck, bargain off eBay, so that's now running on 3S as well. I haven't quite measured the top speed of it yet, but that'll be coming up in a video shortly. And so lately I thought, what I was going to do, winter's coming, we're going to have horrible weather, stuff like that, so I might as well go and buy a different sort of RC. So this time I've had an 8 scale, I've had a 24th scale, a 16th scale, and I got a 10th scale. So let's get it out, put the buggy to one side for a bit. There you go, that's what I bought. Maverick Scout Crawler. So a little zoom in for you. So yeah, here it is, Maverick Scout Crawler. Superb performance, great fun, awesome value. 1/10 4-wheel drive electric rock crawler, ready to run. That's a controller. ESC, I don't think any of it's waterproof, but still nice and cheap, 120 quid. So that, and then I also bought an extra battery, which is that one there. You can read that. So yeah, it runs on 7.2 volts, which is obviously 6 cells. In a sub-C cell pack. It's got a Tamiya style connector on it as well. That'll focus, but so yeah, quite happy with my purchase overall. That was about £137 with the extra battery. Now I've got 2 batteries. It doesn't take too long to charge on a fast charger, about half an hour to 40 minutes, something like that. So yeah, let's do a bit of unboxing. So I've already taken the stickers off, so I'll have a look inside. But yeah, so this is the box. That's what it looks like. That's all the details there. 2.4 gig controller. On the back of the box, we've got obviously a few more little pictures of it, but the best picture we're going to get is one out of here. So the battery to one side for a bit. I might have to put my buggy to one side for a bit because it's quite big. Let's see if it'll stay on there. No, not there. Right, got the handbook. There you go, instruction manual. So you get an aerial tube and a nice little metal wheel spanner, another spanner for other bits. I'll look at that in a bit. Next off, I think you're just going to take all of this out. Get it out. And there we have. Into that box for a bit. Another bit of a box. Back in there. And the other side of the box. Now we've got that out of the way. There we have it. the wrapping on. We get underneath in the little thing, controller, it's like a charger and that's attached as well. Yeah, so we've got a charger with all your plugs on. It's only a style connector, but I've got a fast charger, so I'll use that. There's quite a few batteries that you take overnight, I think, with that one. So I'll have a look at the controller we got there. It's worth saying that HPI make Mavericks, so most of the technology is going to probably come from their side. So I'd imagine this should be quite similar to a HPI controller. Silicon packing there. Keep it nice and dry. Yeah, oh, nice. It's even got a little brake disc in there. Ah. So yeah, this is the controller you get with it. It's alright. Quite nice. This is on the bottom. So yeah, feels pretty standard. Slightly too big a grip for my hand, but I have got quite a large hand. So yeah, feels alright. Quite a small wheel in comparison to other ones, but yeah. Well, yeah, steering dual brakes, the endpoint adjustment, steering trim, throttle trim, reverses for all that. Got France and EU mode, and it's in EU mode. They usually come bound, and then you've got that there. Nice little controller. I love the little brake disc in there, that's wicked. So yeah, there we have the RC itself. First glance. Boing, 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 boing. It's got not too much resistance in the oil, so I don't know if it could do better oil. I've seen people pop the tyres on these as well. But yeah, it feels very chunky, very sturdy. There's metal link bars and it all, metal chassis, nice metal steering servo. Yeah. Gotta take that bit off. So we'll look inside, see what we get inside. I love the way these articulate. Just rock around like that. Apparently get a bit of torque steer off them, but still, quite good fun. So yeah, side mounts on that. That's the shell. Quite nice. Depends on your taste. I might get a Beetle shell or Bronco or others that I've seen for it. Those look quite nice. I should put that there in my bucket. Right, so we've got there. Bring this up to you for you. Please disconnect the battery after use. Yeah, that's what we got. Back end, the drive, suspension, nice metal chassis in there, open gears, but don't stick your fingers in there. And yeah, servo all the way through to the front. I don't like the way that wire's going like that. That may have to be sorted at some point. Want a bit of routing for us. But yeah, it's quite a weighty, heavy thing. I don't know about how much weight's in the wheels. Unless you serve that. So yeah, bumpers, everything else. Batteries in there. I'll take that out to charge. I've already got one fully charged. That's my unboxing. That's your battery tray. That's the Maverick battery. It's only 1800 milliamp hours, so that won't last too long. So anyway, I'm glad I've got a 3300 milliamp hours. It'll last a bit longer then. Right, go and get that on charge. So yeah, the top deck of this, that's without the battery on. There's your ESC there. And your receiver. You've got a 4-channel receiver, so that's not too bad. Got 2 extra channels there if you want, and PC, whatever that is. It's got fail-safe on it as well, so yeah. Let's get the battery in. Quite simple, really. Pop it out there, right. What are you doing? Please disconnect battery after use. So that's in there. Obviously there are some batteries in this, so let's go and find some batteries. Batteries. There we go. Not a good start. Put the cover on the floor. Yeah, always make sure it's aligned with your batteries correctly. Otherwise it won't work. There we go. There's the on-off switch. It'll be here somewhere. Right there. That's it, and we have power. And we have more power. Now we should be able to so that's full speed. As you can see, it's not really that fast, but it's got a lot of torque, and damn sight a lot of torque. So yeah, time to go and have a play with it, I think. That's my unboxing. Happy with my purchase. Nice little thing. Maverick Scout. Let's get into crawling. See what we can do. Thanks for watching the unboxing of my new RC, my 4th one. Maverick Crawler. What the body shell have. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Maverick Crawler. The Scout 2.4 gig. All good fun. Let's go and do some crawling. Shout out to Crawler Ted's Garage because he does some excellent work as well. So I'll see you later, guys.